Welcome back to Vintage King Motorsports. We're taking a look today at a vintage McCulloch Mac 35. Great running saw. It does need a few small repairs. Would be an awesome saw for your collection. No damaged cases. Has excellent compression. Starts right up. It is missing the air filter cover and the air filter. The brake will need some attention, and the clutch does stick a little bit. We're going to fire it up so you get an idea of what we're talking about. So you'll see it does start and run with no problem. It will need some small minor repairs. As we said, there's a problem with the brake or the clutch, and it does need this cover and the air filter. You can buy this great vintage Mini Mac 35 right now for only $99.99. That's right, $99.99. Buys this saw today. Folks, I was just down at Ace Hardware a little while ago. To get an equivalent saw to this Mini Mac 35 today, you need to spend at least $279. You're not going to pay $279. You're not going to pay $150. Just one easy payment of $99.99 plus shipping anywhere in the U.S. buys this saw today. Be sure to click on the link below. You see it down there, right? Down. Yeah, click on that to show you more pictures and details, or how to buy this fine saw now for only one easy payment of $99.99. Don't hesitate, because when it's gone, and it will not be in your garage. Vintage King Motorsports, when quality and price matters most.